So I'm going to purposely mess something up. So when this sprite is clicked, I'm going to have it change and make a mosaic. When I do that, I get this funkiness. I don't want that. There is no real undo button, so I can go to Edit, Restore the Sprite. Now it made a new N. I'm going to delete the original N and move this back down to where it's supposed to be. Again, if I keep screwing up again, I'm going to delete this N. I'm going to get rid of that code so the regular N is still there. Alright, so event, when the sprite is clicked, we're going to not do mosaic because that was horrible. I'm going to go with whirl. What happens when a whirl? Keep clicking it a few times. That's an interesting letter. So instead of doing that over and over again, I'm going to delete this sprite. Okay, so instead of doing it over and over again and clicking it, I'm going to control. I'm going to have it repeat itself 10 times. Not a mosaic. Again, I want to whirl, and let's see what happens. Can I undo it? That's what I always really want to know. Is can I undo it? Let's find out. Looks. What happens if I do it by a -8? Will it go backwards? So it does go backwards. So I need to restore the sprite to the way it was originally. Delete this one. Alright, so I'm going to do a whirl of 8. But again, I'm going to have it repeat. Then I'm going to have it repeat a whirl of -8. So it goes back to normal. Let's see what it looks like. If you want to have it pause and wait there for a second, that's fine. If you want to increase the amount of pixelation on each, the effect on each is fine. You don't have to.